Okay, continue our installation. Left its previous video. Since we already installed the Python and also installed the Python package for py Win32, so the Win32 API is already installed. The path is already there. Let's to open a PowerShell. Let's open a PowerShell to verify Python. So Python install pipe. Okay, pipe lib package pipe. Win32 list. Suppose the list. Okay, so we verified all this is installed. Also, if you still have that error, you just go ahead to continue. I did try my another machine after I installed a Python development package and Win32 API, and then that error message gone. So in your case, maybe you have or you're not, but anyway, it's not going to infect. I do look at some the online documentation discussion. Different people suggest a different way, but in my case, never fix it. Okay, so this time we are going to disable this one. We are not going to use the Python support. So we'll go ahead to install finish. Okay, we actually already had this extension package installed. I have another video to show how to install this extension package. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.